Hey guys, welcome back to the Decampers. I'm Nick.
I'm David. We are here today at a Corps of Army Engineer site, Rocky Point on the Fort Gibson Lake here in Oklahoma.
And we are fortunate enough to have several RVing friends out with us this weekend. But this video is about racing for more adventure. We're racing them to see who can pack up, hitch up, and move out faster, aka who can decamp the best. The For More Adventure group, or can the decampers decamp the best?
Cross your finger for us, guys.
Yeah, because we're gonna need it, because For More Adventures, man, they are cheaters.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have to watch this video because we're gonna give you For More Adventures time. But if you want to see how we did, you need to go over to For More Adventure, watch their video of this race. If you haven't been to For More Adventure, it is the number 4 more, spelled M-O-O-R-E, Adventure.
Definitely check them out, guys.
And cross your fingers for us. Don't place bets though. Bye guys. We'll see you in just a second.
Alright, so we're going to do rock, paper, scissors to see which one of us are going to go first, because we're going to do this by time trial, because we can't obviously film both trailers at the same time. So, ready? Ready. Okay. So I won that one, right?
Yep. Paper covers rock.
Oh,
Rock,
stone,
smash,
rake,
scissors.
break, scissors.
So that was okay.
You won, he won.
Okay.
One more.
Oh, we have to go first.
Ready, set, go. Go.
David, dogs. Hurry. All right, come on.
Is that everything outside?
Run.
It's awfully clean in here. And everything was so conveniently put in little bins.
Oh, shit.
RV is much cooler than ours.
Well, that's good. Bathroom's good. Bedroom's good too.
Okay.
Well, that's cool. With ours, we just have to push the button and let it go, and it just comes in and stops.
Rug.
That's cool.
Uh-huh. Just throw that on top of that box. Okay, you want to step out? I'll pull this in.
Yep.
Let me pull this back in. We'll see that one for over here. Slide. Pull it. Come on, faster! Slower. Faster. I feel like we're just killing time right now.
Oh, the pains of having 3 slides.
I'm having to hold this button down. This is too much work.
It's all hot.
Yep.
I like they're making this look easy.
Let's do a quick time check. Where are we at?
We are at 6 minutes, 5 seconds.
All right.
Use the hard part.
Hey guys, it's Nick and David with the Decampers,
Hey guys.
and we're super hot and sweaty right now because we're camping with 4 More Adventure, and we decided to do a little like hitch up, pack up kind of hitch up, race to the end of your campsite, I guess.
Yeah.
And David won rock, scissors, paper, so we had to go first. So we just got done. We're all hot and sweaty. So now we're going to go on over to the Moore's trailer and watch them, time them, and
Yep.
gosh, I just really hope that they don't win.
Yeah.
I want to win so bad, and I mean, you know, they're going to claim that we've been cheating, but don't fall for it, guys. That's totally 4 More Adventure.
Yeah.
I mean, they already had like everything.
yeah, we don't
put
know how
away.
to cheat. So.
No, we're sweethearts. Everybody knows that.
Yeah.
You! So we are the Moors.
So I'm Rusty,
Jason.
and our channel is called 4 More Adventures. Our kiddos are actually over there, but we're racing to decamp the Decampers, and we're gonna kick some booty because they were over there cheating the whole time, and we did it for real.
We may
so.
have done dishes, that's about it. What's range of this?
How's this gonna do?
Your rug is smaller than ours. That's cheating.
My dogs are bigger than you.
Oh.
Let's go inside. Anything inside? Back, back, back.
Jason's looking nervous. I'm liking it.
Back, back.
It's a stabilizer.
It's hot.
Yeah. He told you to go to the front because he's got shade in the back.
Let me get the extra shots out. We have to one end, don't we?
Okay.
Okay.
So after we get this part, we're gonna throw it apart and then we need to put something back to the truck.
Okay, let me get the pitch going. Oh, it's already on there.
So this is also a Forest River versus Keystone.
Sure.
Yeah, completely different. Apples
Totally
and oranges.
different, yeah. Totally different family.
A lot of pushing and holding buttons, and like the Decampers and their.
Whatever. Now, I'm not exactly sure how, but I know they're cheating.
Give me a candy.
They're totally cheating. You may not see it, but right there, they just cheated right there.
I'll just do this myself.
Oh,
Still got edge jocked in a little bit. There we go. We're good.
Their bougie double awning. They tried saying that they needed extra time because they had 2 awnings, but they're just going in at the same time. See, I told you guys they try to cheat.
Do it. Just go in here. Yeah. Somewhere in there. Somewhere in there. He's like, give me there.
Yeah.
Give me there. Will you ride okay back there? We'll see. You are spilling stuff. You're supposed to be cleaning.
You're kind of productive.
I'm going in here. No. No slidey for you. Slower than yours. Feels like it when you're in a race.
Time. Guys, how do you think you did?
I feel like we did pretty good because
I feel like we did pretty
I know
good.
what your time was, and I feel like we were pretty close.
How many minutes are you going to guess you guys did it in?
I'm gonna guess we did it in 12.
See that, guys? That's the Moore's time. What's our time? You're not supposed to tell it yet.
You said, "What's our time?"
That was a lot of fun racing the Moors to get out of camp. I think we pushed it all the way to checkout time.
Yeah, I think we left an hour after checkout.
Yeah.
By the time we were done with dumping tanks.
So we definitely needed to get out of there.
So yeah, I guess racing the clock was a good idea.
Yeah.
So yeah, we had a lot of fun. So we showed you the Moore's time. And again, a reminder, if you guys want to see how we did, go over to 4 More Adventures, and they'll reveal what our time was. And I guess, yeah, you'll just figure out who won that way.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys, so if you liked seeing a video like that, you like seeing us race with the 4 More Adventures, give us a like, hit that subscribe, we'd appreciate it. And until next time, next episode, y'all have fun, safe travels, and happy camping.
Later, guys.